Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind as the temperatures rise. How to stay chic and elegant in the summer heat. Hello my elegant ladies, welcome back to The Elegant Lady, where we explore the art of elegance in everyday life. Please don't forget to subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Summer can be a challenging time to maintain your elegant style, but with the right tips and tricks you can look fabulous no matter how high the mercury rises. Here are my top 5 tips for staying chic in the heat. Tip number 1. Choose breathable fabrics. Natural fibers like cotton, linen and silk are your best friends during the summer. They allow your skin to breathe and keep you cool. For example, this lovely cotton dress I'm wearing is perfect for a hot day. It's light, airy and also elegant. Flowy dresses, skirts and tops are perfect for summer, allowing you to move freely while looking effortlessly chic. Tip number 2. Accessorize wisely. Summer is the perfect time to play with accessories. Opt for a wide-brimmed hat, chic sunglasses and lightweight scarves. Not only do they add a touch of elegance to your outfit, but they also provide protection from the sun. And of course, don't forget that a statement piece of jewelry can instantly elevate your look from casual to chic. Remember, elegance is all about the details. Tip number 3. Embrace light colors. Light colors reflect sunlight and keep you cooler than dark colors. Whites, pastels and soft neutrals are perfect for creating a fresh and elegant summer look. If you're new here and you love elegance as much as I do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos that I upload every single Wednesday. It really helps this channel grow, and through my videos I'll help you become a more elegant, sophisticated and high-class lady. Tip number 4. Keep your makeup minimal and your hair up. Heavy makeup can feel uncomfortable in the heat and may not last throughout the day. Opt for lightweight foundation or BB cream with SPF, a touch of mascara and a swipe of lip gloss. This will give you a fresh and natural look that is perfect for summer. Opt for elegant updos. Keeping your hair off your neck can help you stay cool and look polished. Simple styles like a bun, a ponytail or braid can be both practical and chic. Tip number 5. Stay hydrated. Elegance isn't just about how you look, it's also about how you feel. Drinking plenty of water is essential to keep your skin glowing and your body feeling great. You can also enjoy refreshing drinks like iced tea or infused water with fruits and herbs. Carry a stylish water bottle with you wherever you go. Remember ladies, elegance is about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Embrace your unique style, experiment with different looks and most importantly, have fun with fashion. By following these tips, you can stay chic and elegant all summer long. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to The Elegant Lady for more tips on living an elegant life. Also make sure to follow The Elegant Lady Instagram page. Now watch my next video where I share with you the must-have pieces for your summer wardrobe in 2024. I will see you there, and until then, stay cool my elegant ladies.